Good morning. This is Steve Kahn. I noticed that he's a little bit afraid of going through doorways. Doors that are glazed on the right are always much easier than doors that are glazed on the left. Doors that are glazed on the left. Come on. We have to use that back command. Back. Back. And that command is how I'm going to get him through the doorway safely. Good. I'm big on not letting him go through the doorway. I'm always ready to give a little snap. He makes eye contact. Yeah, boy, deal. Again, that's the one on the right. That's easy. Good. Now, doors that are hinged on the left are a little harder. I've got to keep him safe, but I still want to keep him on my left side. So watch how I make a 180 to the left or a 360 to the left to make sure I squeeze his rear end out of the way of the door. Heel. Good. Back. Good. Back. And see how he gets out of the way of the door. Sit. And that's 2 times.